Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast where we practice English together. My name is Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We are very happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very useful. We will learn how to make polite requests in English.
Yes, requests are things we ask people to do. For example, can you help me? Or could you open the door?
These are simple sentences, but they are very important in daily life.
You use them at home, at school, at work, in a restaurant, or even on the street.
And remember, polite English helps people feel comfortable.
Before we start, please like the podcast and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us.
All right, let's begin.
Learning polite requests. Phrase 1. Can you?
Our first phrase is, can you?
This is one of the most common ways to ask for help.
For example, can you help me?
Another example, can you open the window?
Let's practice together. Listen first. Can you pass the salt?
Now let's discuss. This sentence means you want someone to give you the salt.
Okay, now listen again.
Can you pass the salt?
Great. Try saying it with us. Can you pass the salt?
Good job. Real life example.
Imagine you were in class. You forgot your pen. You can say, can you lend me a pen?
That's very natural English. Another example. Can you explain this question?
Teachers hear this every day.
Phrase 2. Could you?
Our second phrase is could you?
Could you is a little more polite than can you.
For example, could you help me?
Or could you repeat that?
Let's do our listen, discuss, listen again practice. Listen. Could you speak more slowly?
Discuss. This sentence is useful when someone speaks too fast.
Yes, many English learners use this sentence.
Now listen again.
Could you speak more slowly?
Your turn.
Could you speak more slowly?
Nice work. Mini dialogue practice.
Let's hear a small conversation.
I'll start. Excuse me, could you tell me the time?
Sure, it's 3 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Simple, friendly, polite.
Phrase 3. Can I?
Now we learn can I.
This is for asking permission. For example, can I sit here?
Another example, can I use your phone?
Let's practice. Listen.
Can I ask a question?
Discuss. This sentence is very common in class or meetings.
Students often say this to teachers.
Okay, listen again. Can I ask a question? Now say it with us. Can I ask a question?
Great pronunciation. Phrase 4. Could I?
Next phrase, could I?
This is a little more polite than can I.
For example, could I borrow your book?
Or could I have some water?
Let's practice. Listen.
Could I sit here?
Discuss. Maybe the bus is full and you want a seat.
You ask someone politely.
Now listen again.
Could I sit here?
Both. Could I sit here?
Excellent. Everyday situations.
Situation 1. At a restaurant. Let's imagine we are in a restaurant.
I'm the customer. Excuse me, could I see the menu?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Later, you might say, could I have some water?
Or, can we get the bill, please? Situation 2. At home.
Now imagine you are at home.
Maybe you need help.
You can say, can you help me with this?
Or, could you close the door?
Very common family English.
Situation 3. At school.
At school, you might say, could you explain this again?
Or, can I go to the restroom?
Teachers hear this every day.
Polite words that help.
Now let's talk about magic polite words.
The first one is please.
Please makes your request softer.
Example, can you help me? Becomes, can you help me, please?
Another important word is excuse me.
For example, excuse me, could you move a little?
Very polite.
Listening practice.
Now we will do quick listening practice. Listen carefully. Could you open the window?
Again.
Could you open the window?
Now repeat.
Both. Could you open the window?
Nice.
Next one. Can I borrow your pen?
Again.
Can I borrow your pen?
Both. Can I borrow your pen?
Good job. Friendly encouragement. If you understand these phrases, you are already improving your English.
Yes, even small sentences can make a big difference.
Practice every day.
Speak slowly and clearly.
And don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Quick practice game.
Stephanie, let's play a quick game.
Okay.
You are in a cafe and want coffee.
Could I have a coffee, please?
Perfect. Next situation. You need help with homework.
Can you help me with my homework?
Excellent.
Situation 4. At the bus stop. Now, let's continue with another real-life situation. Imagine you're at a bus stop. You want to ask someone about the bus.
Yes, this happens every day. You can ask politely. For example, "Excuse me, could you tell me when the bus arrives?"
Good sentence. Very polite. Another example. Excuse me, can you tell me which bus goes to the station?
Let's do our practice. Listen first.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the bus stop is?
Now discuss. Maybe you're new in the city. You need help. This sentence is perfect.
Wow. Listen again. Excuse me, could you tell me where the bus stop is?
Your turn.
Both. Excuse me, could you tell me where the bus stop is?
Great job. Situation 5. At a shop.
Next situation, you are in a shop. You want to ask about a product.
You can say, "Excuse me, could you show me this shirt?"
Or, can I try this on?
Very common sentence in clothing stores. Let's practice. Listen.
Could I try this jacket on?
Discuss. You want to see if the jacket fits, so you ask politely.
Now, listen again. Could I try this jacket on?
Your turn.
Both. Could I try this jacket on?
Nice pronunciation.
Small dialogue. In a shop.
Let's hear a short conversation. "Excuse me, could I try this shirt on?"
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very simple English.
Situation 6. Asking for directions. Another common situation is asking for directions. Maybe you are lost. You need help.
You can say, "Excuse me, could you help me?"
Then ask, could you tell me how to get to the bank?
Let's practice. Listen first.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the hospital is?
Discuss. You are asking for a place. You want clear directions.
Now, listen again. Excuse me, could you tell me where the hospital is?
Repeat with us.
Both. Excuse me, could you tell me where the hospital is?
Excellent.
Situation 7. Asking a friend. Now, imagine you are with a friend. Requests with friends are usually relaxed.
But we can still be polite. For example, "Can you help me move this table?"
Or, could you send me the notes?
Let's practice. Listen.
Can you call me later?
Maybe you're busy now. You want your friend to call later.
Now, listen again. Can you call me later?
Repeat with us.
Both. Can you call me later?
Great. Situation 8. At work.
Now let's talk about work situations. At work, polite English is very important.
Yes, you can say, "Could you send me the report?"
Or, could you check this email?
Let's do listening practice. Listen.
Could you help me with this task?
Discuss. Maybe the work is difficult, so you ask your coworker.
Now, listen again. Could you help me with this task?
Repeat.
Both. Could you help me with this task?
Nice. Polite responses.
Now, let's learn how to answer requests. When someone asks you politely, you can say,
Yes, of course. Sure. No problem. Okay.
example conversation.
Can you help me with this?
Sure.
Another one. Can I pass the water?
Of course.
Very friendly English.
Listening challenge. Let's do a quick listening challenge. Listen carefully. Sentence 1. Could you open the door, please?
Again. Could you open the door, please?
Now repeat. Both. Could you open the door, please?
Sentence 2. Can I sit here?
Again. Can I sit here?
Repeat.
Both. Can I sit here?
Very good.
Motivation for learners. If these sentences feel easy, that is great.
Simple English is powerful English.
You don't need long sentences.
Short sentences can help you communicate clearly.
Practice them in real life.
Use them with friends, teachers, or coworkers.
Every time you practice, your confidence grows.
And your English becomes stronger.
Situation 9. At the library. Now let's continue with a new situation. Imagine you are in a library. You need help finding a book.
Libraries are quiet places, so polite English is very important. You can say, "Excuse me, could you help me find this book?"
Another example. Could you tell me where the history books are?
Let's practice. Listen first.
Excuse me, could you show me where the English books are?
Now let's discuss. Maybe you want to learn English. You are looking for English learning books, so you ask the librarian politely.
Now listen again. Excuse me, could you show me where the English books are?
Repeat with us. Excuse me, could you show me where the English books are?
Great work. Situation 10. At the doctor. Now imagine you are at the doctor's clinic. Sometimes you need to ask questions about your health.
You can say, "Could you explain this medicine?"
Or could you check my temperature?
Let's practice. Listen.
Could you tell me how to take this medicine?
Discuss. You want to know when and how to take the medicine. This is a very useful sentence.
Now listen again. Could you tell me how to take this medicine?
Your turn. Both. Could you tell me how to take this medicine? Nice. Situation 11. At the hotel.
Now imagine you are staying in a hotel. You may need help from the hotel staff.
For example, could you bring me some water, please?
Or could you wake me up at 7 a.m.?
Let's practice. Listen.
Could you send someone to clean the room?
Discuss. Maybe your room is messy. You ask the hotel staff politely.
Now listen again. Could you send someone to clean the room?
Repeat. Both. Could you send someone to clean the room? Excellent. Situation 12. At the airport.
Next situation, the airport. Airports are busy places. People often ask for information.
You can say, "Excuse me, could you tell me where gate 12 is?"
Or could you help me find my terminal?
Let's practice. Listen.
Excuse me, could you tell me when the flight leaves?
Discuss. You want to know the flight time, so you ask the airport staff.
Now listen again. Excuse me, could you tell me when the flight leaves?
Your turn. Both. Excuse me, could you tell me when the flight leaves?
Great pronunciation. Situation 13. On the phone. Now imagine you are talking on the phone. Phone requests are also very common.
For example, could you repeat that, please?
Or can you call me later?
Let's practice. Listen.
Could you speak a little louder?
Discuss. Maybe the voice is not clear, so you ask politely.
Now listen again. Could you speak a little louder?
Your turn. Both. Could you speak a little louder? Great job. Situation 14. Asking for help in public.
Sometimes you need help in public places, for example, in a park or on the street.
You can say, "Excuse me, could you help me for a moment?"
Or could you take a photo of us?
Let's practice. Listen.
Excuse me, could you take our picture?
Discuss. You want someone to take your photo. Maybe you are traveling.
Now listen again. Excuse me, could you take our picture?
Repeat. Both. Excuse me, could you take our picture?
Perfect. Quick review practice. Let's quickly review some request sentences.
Could you help me find this book? Could you explain this medicine? Could you bring me some water? Could you tell me when the flight leaves?
Could you repeat that? These sentences are simple and polite.
And they work in many daily situations.
Listening round. Listen carefully. Sentence 1. Could you help me find the library?
Again, could you help me find the library?
Both. Could you help me find the library?
Sentence 2. Could you take our picture?
Again. Could you take our picture?
Great speaking.
Encouragement. You are doing very well.
If you understand these sentences, your English is growing.
practice them every day.
Even small conversations help.
Confidence comes with practice.
And you are already improving.
Wrap up. All right, everyone, let's review today's key phrases.
We learned can I, can you, could I, could you.
These phrases help you make polite requests.
Remember to add polite words like please and excuse me.
Try using these phrases today.
Ask a friend, a teacher, or a family member.
Practice makes progress.
And you are already improving.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is something you ask for every day?
Maybe you say, "Can I have tea?" Or, "Could you help me?"
We would love to hear your answer.
Thanks for learning English with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.